YouTube channel. In this video, we are discussing about H parameter transistor notations. We know the H parameters are the hybrid parameters having the descriptions of H11 is the input impedance with the output is short circuited, H12 is the reverse voltage gain, the input is open circuited, H21 is the forward current gain by making the output as a short circuited, H22 is the output admittance by making the input port as the open circuited. And the alternative notation for these H parameters, in order to make the simplified notations of H parameters, H11 is the input impedance, so that the first character of the input impedance I is replaced in the H11 and represented as Hi. H12 is modified as HR. H21 is alternatively noted as HF. H22 is represented as HO as a simplified notations. Now come to the transistor hybrid model. If you observe the static characteristics of the transistor, such as both the input and output characteristics, they are observed as a non-linear characteristics. For a small signal operations, nothing but the corresponding applied signal is near around the Q point. In order to analyze those systems, we are going to be using the H parameters. The H parameters are used to analyze the signal with a low frequency as well as the mid frequency bands, and relating the H parameters with the transistors. We observe that H parameters are having two independent variables named as I1, V2, two dependent variables named as V1, I2. The similar notation is observed in the transistor static characteristics. In the input static characteristics, we are making the V0 as a constant. In the output static characteristics, we are making the I1 as a constant. So that we come to know that output voltage and input current are independent variables and the remaining two variables are dependent variables. The H parameter notation for the transistors. When dealing with the H parameters, it is a common procedure. We need to add a subscript to the transistor based on its configuration. For common base, we are adding B. For the emitter, we are adding E. For common collector, we are adding C to the corresponding H parameter values. Now we move towards the merits of the H parameter model. They are real in the audio frequency ranges and they are very easy to measure, and they can be determined by using the static characteristic of the transistor. They are very convenient for the circuit analysis. Come to the H parameter model for the common base, common emitter and common collector. In common base configuration, base is common to both the input side as well as the output side. Emitter acts as the input terminal, collector acts as the output terminal. Based on this particular notation, we are mapping the input, output variables as V1 is the VEB, I1 is the IE, V2 is the VCB, I2 as the IC, and corresponding H parameter equations as VEB is the HIB times of IE plus HRB times of VCB, IC is the HFB times of IE, HOB times of VCB, and these equations are modeled by using the equivalent circuit where the HIB is followed by a dependent voltage source HRB VCB. Similarly, at the output circuit, we are following the Norton's model. HOB is the dependent current source followed by a output admittance HOB. Similarly, in the common emitter configuration, emitter terminal is the common for both the input side as well as the output side, and we are modeling the corresponding H parameter equation as VBE equal to HIEIB, HRE times of VCE, IC is the HFE times of IB, HOE times of VCE. And the first equation is the Thevenin's model where HIE is followed by the a dependent voltage source HFE VCE, and at the output circuit it is following a Norton's model where dependent current source HFE IB followed by the HOE. Configuration. In the common collector configuration, collector is the common to both the input side as well as the output side. Base is the input terminal, emitter is the output terminal. And we are modeling the H parameter equations as VBE equal to HIC times of IB, HRC times of VEC, IE is the HFC times of IB, HOC times of VEC. And the first equation is the Thevenin's model, represented as HIC followed by a dependent voltage source. At the output, HFC IB is a dependent current source followed by the HOC. Now come to the typical values of the H parameter for the corresponding transistor junction transistors. H11 is nothing but the HI is the value of 22 ohms for the common base, 1.1 kilo ohm for the common emitter, and 1.1 kilo ohm for the common collector, and having the units of ohms. H12 is the HR. For a common base, the value is the 2.9 into 10 power of minus 4. For the common emitter, the value is the 2.5 into 10 power of minus 4. In the common collector, the value is approximately unity. It means in the common collector, the input voltage and output voltage are almost equal. That's why it is named as the buffer amplifier. In the H21, nothing but HF. In the common base, the corresponding current gain, forward current gain is 0.98. In the common emitter, it is 50. In the common collector is the minus 51. H22 is nothing but the output admittance, noted as the HO. The output admittance for the common base is 0.4 microamps per volt. For the emitter, common emitter, 25 microamps per volt. Common collector is the 25 microamps per volt. Thank you for watching this video, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.